Hello friends, this is April Harris Jackson from Graceful Aging Legal Services, and today I want to continue our topic of conservatorships by addressing where you need to file your conservatorship action. Now, fortunately, the statutes are pretty clear that we need to file our conservatorship in the county of residence of the respondent. So that means look at wherever the respondent keeps their normal house or apartment, probably whatever's listed on their driver's license if they have one, wherever they get bills to, wherever they're registered to vote. Now, that's a general rule. Sometimes people move without updating those things, and so they could have a different residence than what's listed on their, usual bills, things like that. But we really want to be looking at where do they live. Now, occasionally we'll come across individuals who do really have residences in multiple counties, even multiple states. And so for that purpose, we kind of, to an extent, get to choose what makes the most sense. And that's probably going to be where our conservator is, assuming that they are also in the same county or nearby. So let's say that we have a conservator who is, or a proposed conservator who is seeking an action for someone who has a residence in Davidson County and also in Florida, for example. Let's say they live half the year here and half the year there. And the proposed conservator maybe lives in Hendersonville in Sumner County. So the conservator, let's say that the respondent is currently in Davidson County, the conservator could file for a conservatorship in Davidson County, bring that action here, and try to get everything established in Davidson County. Now, if the person later determines that it makes sense to move that conservatorship to Florida, we can do that. We can accomplish that with a transfer. So that's a little bit about where you file a conservator. It's not necessarily where the person filing the petition lives. It's where the person who has the alleged disability lives. So I hope that's been helpful as we continue our topic of conservatorships, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Thanks, y'all.